My name is De Guzman Mark Leonel from BS 210. Criminal investigation is an essential part of the justice system. Many people ask whether it is an art or a science. The most accurate answer is the both, since it combines scientific methods with the skills of human judgment and creativity. Then sabi nga rin po nga sa aming forensic is combines nga daw po siya ng scientific method. Kaya po pwedeng matatawag natin siyang art or a science. A science, criminal investigation relies on forensic techniques such as DNA analysis, fingerprint matching, ballistics, and digital evidence. These methods are based on biology, chemistry, and physics, and they follow scientific method of forming hypotheses, testing evidence, and drawing logical conclusions. For example, DNA testing has solved cases that remained unsolved for decades, providing how important science is a modern investigation to U.S. Department of Justice in 2017. At the same time, investigation is also an art. Ito nga daw. Ang investigation nga daw is pwede rin daw matawag na art. In many situations require institution, flexibility, and experience. Interviewing suspect, evaluating witnesses' statements, and noticing subtle behaviors depend on the investigator's skill and creativity. Diyan nga nila ginagamit itong mga methods na to. Na kunyari, tatanong, mga ganun, yung iaano nila yung mga statement ng mga saksi o mga nakakita. Unlike laboratory test, these tasks cannot be done by science alone. They require insight and the ability to adapt to different circumstances. Paris in 1987. If we treat investigations only as science, we risk missing the human elements. If we treat only as art, we risk relying on guesses and personal bias. The most effective approach is to see it is about science provide rely tools, while arts allows investigation to apply them wisely. Criminal investigation is both an art and science. And it is this combination that makes it effective in achieving truth and justice. US, may source kung bakit nga ito yung sagot ko is dahil dun sa itinuro rin sa amin sa forensic science na tinuturo dun is siyang art. And other source po is U.S. Department of Justice, the Scientific Method in Criminal Investigation 2017. And the second source, Faris J.R. Criminal Investigation, Art or Science, Journal of Contemporary Criminal Justice, 1987.